we have talked about what are comments. So now we are actually going to write some comments. So for that we are going to use 2 /. So this is not a code, it will not be counted as a code. So this is a comment for any programmer to know what you are actually writing. So for that I wanted to show you one new topic which is called multiline string. So we are going to discuss this topic. So we are using one print functionality and we are using this variable. Everything over here, that print function and everything is defined somewhere in our application. So we are not accessing that library. So whenever we wanted to call up this print function and convert this variable to an integer, we have to use that library. So for that we are going to say import, and after that dart, because we are using dart right now. This is the dart language, and after that, so this is the basic library that is going to help out in order to use operators in order to convert a particular value into a new value. So that is the reason we are using this library right over here, multi-line string. So for that I'm going to just delete this part right over here. So there are 2 ways that you can have multi-line strings. We are going to show you the first way how you can have multi-line string. So in over here everything is printed on a single line and we wanted to have 3 lines. For that we are going to say /, and after that n, in order to give it a line break. So now if I hit run right now, as you can see we got the second line, and now we wanted to have a third line. For that we are going to use line break once again. We have 3 lines. There is one more way where you can have this thing. So we are using single quotes right over here. So we can use double quotes as well. It completely depends on you what you wanted to use. So whenever you wanted to write a multi-line string, all you have to do is just write 3 quotes before and after that 3 quotes after. You can just directly go ahead and remove this new line character that we have. This is the first topic and this is going to be the second topic and this is the third topic. So we have used single quotes, you can use double quotes. It completely depends on you. If I run my application right now, as you can see we have got the same output. One way you can give it a line break in order to have a multi-line string. Another way is that you can use 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. We are using 3 single quotes and I wanted to have a quotation over here. So for that we are going to use / and after that a single quote. So if I run my application, I'll get this single quote right over here. We are using double quotes over here. You can just directly go ahead and give it a single quote. This is what we call multi-line string.